Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Wufilia. Huh? Wubefi. Goil. Good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Red out receipt now. Boss, let's go back.
Hey, here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth. Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss ever bought Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. That is this year. Make a drama.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenam. True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity School is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? That shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Try me to pay.
My boy.
Hope you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Try me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels, feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies, ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
Hello everyone. You are welcome to the prelim stage of the 2025 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this contest, we have Konongo Odumase Senior High School, St. John's Grammar Senior High School, and Labone Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Konongo Odumase Senior High School is represented by
Amaku Emasohemi.
Makofi Nyamsem.
Konongo Odumase Senior High School exited the competition at the 1-8 stage last year. However, because they won their original qualifying contest, they returned this year to the prelim stage and unfortunately lost to Kumasi Secondary Technical School. However, they are back again because with an impressive score of 46 points, they earn a second chance as a top runner-up to compete at this stage. You're welcome again, gentlemen. Thank you. How does it feel to be back? And what should we expect from you?
It feels sad, but all we want you to expect from us is victory.
Okay, best wishes to you. St. John's Grammar Senior High School is represented by
Kwame Iyasi.
Texton Obed Hendrick.
Okay. St. John's Grammar School also exited at the 1-8 stage last year, and they are back this year through the regional qualifying contest. Tell us about your journey, your preparations, and what we should expect from you.
Well, the journey has been very stressful, but the good Lord has seen us through, and we believe that He will take us through to the 1-8 stage.
Okay, best wishes to you. Our final school is Labone Senior High School, and they are represented by
Jonathan Adoyobo.
Gerald Barr.
Labone has also earned their spot here at the prelim stage by winning their regional qualifying contest. How has your preparations been towards the nationals, and what should we expect from you?
The preparation has been a good one, and we hope that the Lord will help us in this contest.
Okay. Best wishes to you as well. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adanse Travels, Rwand Air, Kivo Gary, Spin City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. My name is Dr. Thelma Hineje, a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon. I'm your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Okay, to our schools. We'll have this contest in 5 rounds. We'll start in round 1. And in this round, you'll be expected to answer a series of questions to test your understanding of concepts and theories in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to provide an answer. If there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds. A correct answer will earn you 3 points. An incorrect answer makes the question available to another school. And the first school to ring their bell can take that for a bonus. If they answer correctly, they earn 1 point. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. If you want to call a question as a bonus, you wait till I rule on the question or the school is belled out so you don't disrupt the competition. In this round, I'll start with Konongo Odumase Senior High School. The contest starts with a preamble to all the schools. Find the sum as a rational number of the given infinite series or infinite series. So find the sum as a rational number of the given infinite series. Konongo, 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 4 plus 1 on 8 plus 1 on 16, plus on and on.
Two.
Yes, that's correct. St. John's, 1 minus 1 on 3, plus 1 on 9, minus 1 on 27, plus 1 on 81, minus on and on.
Three over 4.
Yes, that's correct. Labone, 1 plus 1 on 5, plus 1 on 25, plus 1 on 125, plus 1 on 625, plus on and on.
5 over 4.
Yes, that's correct. Find the refractive index. This is a preamble. Find the refractive index of a medium given that Konongo Odumase, real depth equals 15 centimeters when apparent depth equals 10.0 centimeters. Yes.
1.5.
Yes, that's correct. St. John's, real depth is 5.2 centimeters, when apparent depth is 4.0 centimeters.
1.3.
Yes, that's correct. Labone, real depth equals 8.70 centimeters and apparent depth equals 6.00 centimeters. Yes, Gerald.
1.45.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. What is the shape of the thalamus in the given type of flower? What is the shape of the thalamus in the given type of flower? Konongo odumase. Hypogynous flower.
Okay, it is flat.
No. A bonus. St. John's. Perigynous or perigynous. Yes. Kwame.
The thalamus is round.
It's what?
Round.
No. I'll probably come to you, but if I said describe the shape, would it be better?
So the thalamus has a curved shape, like it is curved.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. And I'll come back to you. What would you have said if I said describe the shape?
It has a flat surface.
Okay. So you still say it's not flat. Labone, yours is epigynous flower.
It has a round oval-like shape that it covers most parts of the female carpel.
No. It covers most parts of the what?
The carpel.
No. Okay, no. A bonus. So the hypogynous flowers, they are convex or conical, very different from flat. And the perigynous are disc-shaped. That's why I give you said it's a what? Curved. I give you a partial mark. The epigynous flowers are flask. They are shaped like a flask. Identify the oxidizing agent in the given reaction and give a reason for your choice based on oxidation states of relevant species. I'll take the preamble again. Identify the oxidizing agent in the given reaction and give a reason for your choice based on oxidation states of relevant species. Konongo odumase, Cl2 plus OH minus gives Cl minus plus ClO minus. Yes.
The oxidizing agent is CO2, and this is because the chlorine in CO2 has changed its oxidation state from 0 to -1.
Yes, that's correct. St. John's, H2O2 plus Fe2 plus goes to Fe3 plus OH minus. Go ahead.
So the oxidizing agent is H2O2, and this is because the oxidation state of the oxygen changes in the H2O2 changes from -1 to -2.
Yes, that's correct. Labone, NO3 minus plus Cu gives NO plus Cu2 plus.
So the oxidizing agent is NO3 minus, and this is because the oxidation state of the N in NO3 minus changes from +5 to +2 in the NO.
That's correct. A preamble. Expand the logarithmic expression in terms of log A, log B, and log C. Expand the logarithmic expression in terms of log A, log B, and log C. Konongo odumase. Log of the expression, also log of the expression, so log bracket open, A squared over BC cubed, bracket closed. I'll take that again. So log bracket open, a fraction. The numerator of the fraction is A squared. Then the denominator is BC cubed. So BC, the cube is on the C, bracket closed. All of that to the power 2. So the expression to the power 2.
We have 4 log A minus 2 log B minus 6 log C.
Yes, that's correct. St. John's. Log of the expression. The numerator is B squared C squared. Then the denominator is A. That expression squared. The whole fraction squared. Go ahead, Kwame.
4 log B plus 4 log C minus 2 log A.
Yes, that's correct. Labone. Log of the expression. The numerator is A squared B cubed. And the denominator is C to the power 4. That whole expression squared.
Four log A plus 6 log B minus 8 log C.
Yes, that's correct. Find the acceleration of an 8-kilogram object when the net force on it is 64I minus 32J, all in newtons. Amos.
8I minus 4J, all in meters per second squared.
That's correct. St. John's. Find the net force on a 5-kilogram object whose acceleration is 16I plus 6J, all in meters per second squared. Yes.
80I plus 30J, all in Newton.
Yes, that's correct. Labone. Find the acceleration of an 8-kilogram object when the net force on it is 5I minus 5J, all in newtons.
So we have 5 on 18I minus 5 on 18J. All this in meters per second squared.
No. Yes.
0.3I minus 0.3J, all in meters per second squared.
No. Yeah, Labone's answer is correct. Name this is a preamble to all the schools. Name the key mineral element responsible for the given function. Key mineral element responsible for the given function. Konongo, odumase. Essential for blood clotting.
Calcium.
Yes, it's correct. St. John's. Responsible for selective permeability of plasma membranes. Yes.
Sodium.
No. A bonus. Labone. Essential for activating enzymes, but it's not part of the enzyme.
Molybdenum.
No. A bonus. So selective permeability is phosphorus. And then for activating enzymes is potassium. Potassium. Our last set of questions for this round. Identify, Konongo odumase, the isotone of silicon 30, whose atomic number is 11. Silicon 30. And then atomic number is 11.
Sodium 27.
Yes, that's correct. St. John's. Identify the isotone of oxygen 18, 1,8, whose atomic number is 12.
Okay, it is magnesium 22.
Yes, that's correct. Labone. Identify the isotone of chlorine 38, whose atomic number is 15, 1,5. Yes, Gerald.
So it is phosphorus 26.
No. A bonus to Konongo odumase.
Phosphorus 36.
Yes, it's phosphorus 36. That brings us to the end of round 1.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Red out receipt now. Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before. There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth. Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abrawe, Uncle Tabu, a dead dandani, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss ever born Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up
increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenam.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, child school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me to pay. We hope you make the most of your money. Need, send fire to pay. Show me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. At Dancer Travels, feel life's beauty.
Before we go on to the scores for round 2, there are some protests here I would like to address. Okay, so St. John's Grammar is challenging their answer to the key elements responsible for selective permeability in plasma membrane. So they said sodium, and it should be accepted. I'm not sure the reason why they think it should be accepted, but it's phosphorus, as in phospholipids. Okay, so selective permeability in the plasma membrane, the key element there is phosphorus. In the same way, Labone is also challenging their question in that set of questions. Theirs was an element, the key element responsible for activating enzymes, but it's not part of the enzyme. And they give molybdenum. Their reason is molybdenum is indeed, it is not. For molybdenum to activate the enzyme, it would be part of the enzyme. And that is why in this question, it was clearly stated that, but it's not part of the enzyme. So the answer is potassium. Biology. Okay, so I'm not sure. Konongo odumase is also challenging St. John's answer that when I asked for the shape of the perigynous flower, they said curved. But actually, the shape is strictly disc-shaped. But curved can be oval or cup-shaped. Actually, my answer is it was disc-shaped or cup-shaped. So if curved refers to cup-shaped, then actually the answer is acceptable. Now, I'm tempted to actually even give them the full mark. But we'll leave it at the partial mark, because curved can describe other things. But that's why I asked them to describe, so that I'll see if they have an idea what they are talking about. So all the protests did not hold. At the end of round 1, the scores are Labone Senior High School, 15 points. St. John's Grammar School, 20 points. And then Konongo odumase Senior High School, 22 points. That brings us to round 2, where we have the speed race. And here, each question is open to all the schools at the same time. If you have an answer, you ring your bell. I'll give you the opportunity to answer. If you are the first school and you ring your bell, and you give an answer in 3 seconds, or you start giving it in 3 seconds before the bell goes, you earn 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, the second school, the same rules, they will earn 2 points for that second attempt. And for the last attempt at the question, the third school will earn 1 point. This is because at any time, if you give an incorrect answer, there's a penalty point of 1. So 1 point is deducted from the marks you've already accrued. When you ring your bell, you are ready with an answer. Okay? The speed race is proudly sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. At 25, that's the first question for the speed race. At 25 degrees Celsius, a saturated solution of silver carbonate has a solubility of 5.52 gram per decimeter cube. Calculate the solubility product of silver carbonate, taking Ag equals 1 Konongo.
Half 3.20 multiplying 10 raised to an exponent of -5.
Yes, that's correct. Calculate the mass of 1 mole of tetraamine copper 2 sulfate monohydrate, Cu bracket open NH3 bracket closed subscript 4 SO4 dot H2O. Take copper as 64.0. St. John's.
256 grams.
No. Who else? Yes, Konongo, odumase.
242 grams.
No. Labone.
236 grams.
No. 246 grams. 46. What is the average oxidation number of carbon in CH3COOH? St. John's?
0.
Yes, it's 0. Find the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray when light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 45.
90 degrees.
Yes, it's 90 degrees. Angle of incidence is 45 degrees, so it's 90 degrees. Find the gauge pressure 10 centimeters below the surface of a liquid of density 800
Pascal.
That's correct. Find the magnitude of the centripetal force on a 2.0 kilogram object moving at 4.0 meters per second in a circle of radius 0. Yes.
64 Newton.
That's correct. So circle of the radius was 0.50 meters. Find the inverse of the function. F of x equals a fraction. Numerator is 2x. Denominator is x minus 5.
F inverse of x is equal to a fraction with numerator 5x and denominator x minus 2.
That's correct. So next time, when you ring your bell, let me call you. Just in case you are the right school. If not, you give your answer away. If you were in the school to be called. So just wait when I call you. You even get a little more time to do your calculation. So you just wait. Find the cosine of the angle between the vectors A equals 5i plus 3j and B equals 5i minus 3j. Yes, St. John's.
Go to 16 over 34.
No. Yes.
We have a fraction with...
Give the fraction.
15 over 34.
No.
4 over 7.
No. 16 over... But you can simplify this, you know that. So you were still calculating. It's 8 on 17. Find Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve. Y equals 2x cubed minus 6x plus 5. St. John's.
1, 1 and negative 1, 9.
Yes, that's correct. In what form is calcium present?
Calcium carbonate.
No. Anybody else wrong? Is calcium present in plants?
Calcium pectate.
Yes, it's calcium pectate. Give the name. You rang your bell. They don't. You don't have. There's no way. I don't know what you can guess. Give the name. Do you want to try? Let me give you up. Maybe you know. You dreamt about this question. Do you want to give an answer? I should take my -1 and go. Okay. Give the name of the functional and structural unit of the kidney.
Nephron.
Yes, it's the nephron. How do cells without mitochondria get energy? Oh, you know this? Yes.
Okay. They use glycolysis. They undergo glycolysis in order to produce energy.
Come again?
They undergo glycolysis. Since glycolysis does not require a mitochondria, it can take place in the cytoplasm to produce the energy in the form of to generate the ATP.
To what?
Generate the ATP.
Speed race, so I can't accept it. Okay. So now that there's no mark, and for educative purposes, if you don't have mitochondria, it means you can't use oxygen, right? So what other respiration can you do? Anaerobic. They just respire anaerobically. Okay. That brings us to the end of round 2. At the end of the second round, the scores are Labone Senior High School, 12 points. St. John's Grammar Senior High School, 32 points. Konongo odumase Senior High School, 33 points. This brings us to round 3, where we have the problem of the day. And in this round, a common problem will be presented to all schools at the same time. They have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screen. Now, at the end of 4 minutes, a bell indicating that you should stop work will go. When that bell, you hear the bell, please stop work, take your seat. I'll then come over to your screen, evaluate your solution, and award marks. I'll come back to my screen, present the solution from the consultant, and explain how the marks were awarded. In this round, if you're able to score 10 out of 10 for the problem of the day, you win what we call the NSMQ Star. And this is an award from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, which is worth 2,000 cedis for the team. So that's something to look forward to. The NSMQ Star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, for every life, for every future. Okay. So now you can put your pens down, stand in front of your screen, and you can take your sheets with the problem of the day. So the problem of the day, show that the point T, 1 on T, where T is greater than 0, lies on the curve xy equals 1. And then B, find the equation of the tangent at the point T, 1 on T, on the curve xy equals 1. Then lastly, find the area of the finite region enclosed by the tangent and the coordinate axis. Start work. Stop work. The schools have presented their solutions on the screen, and I'll present the solution from the consultant. So this problem of the day was for mathematics. They were to show that the point t, 1 on t, where t is greater than 0, lies on the curve xy equals 1. They were to find the equation of the tangent at the point t, 1 on t on the curve xy equals 1. And we are to find the area of the finite region enclosed by the tangent and the coordinate axis. So for A, you will, to show that it lies on the curve xy equals 1, you put the values of the points, so the x and y coordinates in the equation of the curve. So if x is equal to t, y equals 1 on t. That means xy equals t multiplying 1 on t, and this is equal to 1. So you show that it lies on the curve. That will give you 2 marks. From xy equals 1, that means y equals 1 on x, so you can differentiate. dy dx is negative 1 on x squared. So at t, 1 on t, if these are the coordinates of that point, then dy dx is negative 1 on t squared. If you came to this, you have another 2 marks. To find the tangent, so that would be y minus 1 on t equals dy dx that you just found, negative 1 on t squared, multiplying the expression x minus t. Okay, and that will come to t squared y minus t equals negative multiplying x minus t. So then the equation of the tangent at that point is x plus t squared y minus 2t equals 0. So that will give you another 2 marks. The intercept on axis for y equals 0, x equals 2t. And for x equals 0, y equals 2 on t. If you're able to write this out, you get 2 marks. So the area between the tangent and the coordinate axis is half, or 1 on 2 multiplying 2t multiplying 2 on t. And this will give you 2. Or 2 units. That will give you another 2 marks. And all of that will come to 10 marks. So the solutions from the school. So Konongo Odumase was able to show that the point lied on the curve. They have 2 marks for that. To solve for the tangent, they were able to calculate for the dy dx correctly. Sorry. But moving that into the equation, they missed a negative sign from the dy dx. And so from there, they couldn't come to the equation. So they have 2 marks for being able to solve for A and also for dy dx. So in total, they have 4 marks. St. John's Grammar, very similar to what Konongo Odumase did. They also proved point A. They were able to find dy dx, and then they didn't move beyond that. So they also have 4 marks. Labone Senior High School was able to show that the point lied on the curve. They were able to solve for dy dx, and they put dy dx correctly in the equation of the tangent, but they didn't move beyond that. So they have 5 out of 10. And that brings us to the end of round 3. St. John's Grammar would like John to come on for Obed. And Labone Senior High School would like Elvis to come on for Jonathan. Round 4. This is the true or false round. And in this round, for each statement that comes to your school, I want you to indicate if the statement is true or false. A correct answer will earn you 2 points. An incorrect answer, there's a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can ring for your question for the same points. 2 if the answer is correct, and a penalty point of 1 if the answer is incorrect. In this round, Jupe Money Transfer is willing to offer some money to the schools if their alumni during this NSMQ period send money from abroad to Ghana and use the exclusive promo code of the schools. So for every transaction an alumni does using Jupe Money Transfer, Jupe will donate $20 to the school to use for developmental projects in the school. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. And in this round, I'll start with Konongo odumase. A preamble, X-rays. X-rays can be emitted in the given situation. X-rays can be emitted in the given situation. Konongo odumase, bombardment of a metallic target by high energy electrons. Yes.
A true statement.
Yes, it's true. I almost forgot to mention this. Let me mention it, please. Any indication that you are communicating with somebody from the crowd will lead to your disqualification. It's happened today. A school has been disqualified. So look at me. When you look into the crowd, I don't know what it means, but I would assume that you are communicating with the crowd. Okay. St. John's Grammar. Vacancies in the K-shell of atoms of a metal are filled by L-shell electrons. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Labone. Bombardment of a metallic target by high energy protons.
False.
No, it's true. Konongo odumase. The volume V of a cylinder of radius R and height H is given by V equals 2 pi R squared H. Yes.
A false statement.
It's false, yes. St. John's. The total surface area of a solid cylinder of radius R and height H is A equals 2 pi R squared plus 2 pi RH.
True.
Yes, it's true. Labone. The total surface area of a solid hemisphere of radius R is A equals 3 pi R squared.
False.
No, it's true. Konongo odumase. This is a preamble. The given meristem is derived from the pro-meristem. So the given meristem is derived from the pro-meristem. Konongo odumase. Primary meristem. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. John's. Lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. Into the microphone.
True.
No, it's false. Labone. Apical meristem.
True.
Yes, that's true. A preamble. Under standard temperature and pressure conditions. Konongo odumase. 1 mole of CO and 1 mole of SO2 contain the same number of molecules. Yes.
A true statement.
Yes, it's true. St. John's. 2 moles of CO2 and 1 mole of SO3 contain the same number of atoms. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Labone. 2 moles of H2O and 1 mole of O2 contain the same number of oxygen atoms.
False.
Yes, that's false. A preamble. Magnetic field lines of a current carrying circular loop are magnetic field lines of a current carrying circular loop are Konongo odumase. Straight lines coaxial with the loop.
It is a true statement.
No, it's false. St. John's. Concentric circles centered on the axis of the loop.
False.
Yes, it's false. Labone. Closed curves. Closed curves.
True.
Yes, that's true. A preamble. The given pair of lines are either parallel or perpendicular. Konongo. Y equals 2x plus 5 and 2y plus x equals 10.
It is true.
Yes, it's true. St. John's. 2x plus 3y equals 5 and 3x plus 2y equals 10.
False.
Yes, that's false. Labone. Y equals minus 2x plus 3 and x plus 2y equals 10.
False.
Yes, it's false. Konongo odumase. In mammals, milk is digested by the action of amylase.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. John's. Most fat digestion occurs in the small intestine.
True.
Yes, it's true. Labone. Red blood cells cannot break glucose completely aerobically.
False.
No, it's true. Konongo odumase. Decomposition reactions are typically the reverse of synthesis reactions.
It is true. False.
No, it's true. St. John's. Combustion reactions are redox reactions.
True.
Yes, that's true. Labone. In a single displacement reaction, the more reactive element always replaces the less reactive one.
True.
Yes, and that brings us to the end of round 4. round 4, the scores are Labone Senior High School, 24 points. St. John's Grammar Senior High School, 46 points. Konongo Odumase Senior High School, 47 points. So we determined the winner of this contest in this very close race in this round 5, and this is how we determine who wins and goes to the next stage of the competition. We are going to use 4 riddles. I'd assist you to solve for these riddles by reading out a set of clues for your benefit. At any time while I'm reading, if you believe you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, you earn 5 points. On the second clue, you earn 4 points. After that, any correct answer is 3 points. There's no penalty for getting the riddle wrong. That doesn't mean you should guess, but there's no penalty, only that you have only 1 attempt. And then you have to wait to come back for the next one. Okay. Also, in this round, apart from determining who wins, there's also some reward if you're able to solve 3 or 4 riddles correctly from GOL. GOL has decided to reward the school that solves 3 riddles correctly with 800 Ghana cedis. However, if you are able to answer all 4 riddles correctly, you win 1,200 cedis from GOL. And this we call the GOL Riddle Bonanza. It's proudly sponsored by GOL, Good Energy. Okay. So our first riddle. I am a bond in chemistry. I bring about conjugation. I am never alone. When present, I restrict.
Pi bond.
Yes, I'm the pi bond. I am a kidney-shaped or oval-shaped organ. I am present throughout the human body and more concentrated near and within the trunk. I am important for the proper functioning of the immune system.
Lymph node.
That's correct. I am a physical quantity. I am a vector quantity. I change when a force acts on a particle. Yes, Labone.
Linear momentum.
Yes, I'm linear momentum. Our last riddle. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is equal to the sum of my exterior angles. My diagonals bisect each other. My diagonals are neither congruent nor perpendicular. My diagonals Yes, Labone.
Parallelogram.
Yes, I'm the parallelogram. That brings us to the end of round 5. Thank you for joining us for this exciting contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adansi Travels, Rwand Air, Kibo Gari, Spin City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. So in that very keenly contested round, Konongo Odumase Senior High School emerges winners. They finally qualify for the 1/8 stage of the competition. Well done. It was a good comeback. Congratulations. Better luck next time to St. John's Grammar Senior School and Labone Senior High School. The school with the highest score for the day will win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award. And at this stage, that is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Thelmohinie J, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Thank you and see you soon. Hey, I didn't mention... Should I do that again? Just the scores. Okay. Sorry. The scores that determine the winner. At the end of round 5, here are the scores. Labone Senior High School, 30 points. St. John's Grammar School, 46 points. Konongo Odumase Senior High School, 53 points. Well done.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefil. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Madam Recito!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow!
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.